Welcome to our comprehensive guide on how to disable stories notifications on Snapchat. Take control of your notification settings and tailor your Snapchat experience by following these straightforward steps. To begin, open the Snapchat app on your Android device to access your profile. Tap on your avatar or profile picture at the top left corner of the screen to navigate to your profile settings. Next, locate and tap the settings icon at the top right of the screen to access your account settings. Select Notifications from the menu options presented on the screen. Now, find the Stories from Friends option and unmark it to disable stories notifications from your friends on Snapchat. By following these steps, you can customize your notification preferences and enjoy a more focused and personalized Snapchat experience without being alerted to stories from your friends. Thank you for watching this guide on how to disable stories notifications on Snapchat. Take charge of your notification settings and enhance your Snapchat usage by following these steps to disable stories. Notifications from friends. Create a more tailored and distraction-free Snapchat experience by managing your notification settings effectively.